If you're considering long-term care insurance protection, you're probably wondering, how much is it going to cost? The answer is, it depends on how much coverage you buy, your age when you apply, and your health. It also depends on which insurance company you select, because prices can vary quite significantly from one company to the next. Selecting how much long-term care insurance to buy is a personal decision. How much coverage do you want? How much can you afford? One thing I can share with you, when it comes to long-term care insurance, having some protection is always better than having none. With that in mind, what I'd like to do is share a few ways to reduce the cost of a policy. It's really important to apply for long-term care insurance while you're in good health. And as you know, your health can change at any moment, today, tomorrow, next month. Insurers offer discounts, typically 10% of the cost annually, to people who are in good health. Once you qualify for this good health discount, you won't lose it, even when your health changes. That's a very important benefit to keep in mind. If you're married or living with a partner, insurers offer discounts, typically between 20 and 40% each year when you both apply. If one of you is younger, it could almost mean that the second policy costs very little. Here's a tip. Some insurers will offer partial discounts when only one person buys coverage, or when only one can health qualify. Here's another way to save. You probably have a deductible on your car insurance and your health insurance. Well, with long-term care insurance, the deductible is called the elimination period. Most people today select a 90-day or a 100-day elimination period. That will save you money. Two more savings tips. Right-size your policy. What I mean by that is consider a 3-year plan of protection. You'll reduce the cost significantly each year. Some insurers today will allow you to add to your coverage in the future if you decide that more coverage is appropriate and if you can afford more. A tip for couples. Look into the option that's called a shared care option. That's where two people each share a benefit, say your 3-year policy, but it would be the equivalent of one getting care for as long as 5 or 6 years. A final tip. As I said, each insurance company sets their own rates, and they can vary significantly. So ask the insurance professional you're meeting with whether they're getting their rates from just one company or whether they compared rates from multiple companies. That will save you a great deal of money for many, many years to come. Let me end with a few words. There's a wealth of information on the American Association for Long-Term Care Insurance's website. You can read more ways to save. You can find local insurance professionals. You can find ratings for leading long-term care insurance companies. It's all there, free for the reading. And I always end with these words. When it comes to long-term care, a failure to plan is a plan for failure. Don't wait. Long-term care insurance will never be less expensive for you than it is today. Thanks for watching.